Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix NVIDIA stuttering issues. The first thing I want you to do is just right click anywhere in your desktop, click here on show more options, go to your NVIDIA control panel, and then here from the left hand section click on manage 3D settings. Go scroll all the way down to shader cache size. Make sure this one you set it to disabled. Okay, hit apply and then you restart your PC. Once that is done, you open up the NVIDIA app. If you don't have it yet, go to your browser, search up NVIDIA app, open up the first link, click here on download, and once you have installed it, come here left hand side, click on drivers. Okay, come here, make sure you have chosen a game ready driver, and then you just install what they ask you to go ahead and install. So we'll download this one, then once it's done downloading, install it. Then you just search up disk cleanup, open it up, select the drive you want to clean up. We'll do C drive. And then here, make sure DirectX shader cache has been selected. Okay, clean up the system files, hit delete files, and then you can just go ahead and right click again, click on show more options, choose NVIDIA control panel, and here under manage 3D settings again, shader cache size, change this to driver default. Okay, make sure you apply your changes. Really that easy. That should fix your issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.